Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are doing another segment of my favorite kitchen gadgets. So here are another 5 of my favorite things. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you're officially cooking with Carly. We're doing another 5 favorite things segment because you loved the last one so much. As a reminder, before we get to those 5 things, all of the links to these items, if I can get the link to the items, are in the description below. The first item on my list today is this little guy. I know you're probably wondering, what in the world is this? So this is like a meat chopper tool. You've probably seen some that look like this. I have a different one. Maybe if I can get to it. You've probably seen some meat chopper tools that look like this. So you just kind of use this with your ground beef or like ground sausage, ground turkey, ground chicken, any of your ground meats to break it up easily while you're browning it, right? You've probably seen these. This is like a newer and improved and a much better version. And let me tell you why. So you still have this angle right here that has like the 3 points coming together. So you can still break up your ground meat and ground beef, whatever you're using, really easily while you're browning. But at the same time, you've got a slotted scooper or spatula. So once your ground beef is all browned and ready to go, you can actually scoop, drain any of like the greases out and serve it. So like think tacos. This is the perfect taco tool because you can brown your meat, you can add all of your seasoning in, you can stir it with this tool, and you can scoop and serve it with this tool. You don't have to dirty up a meat chopper tool and a spatula and a spoon for mixing things together and serving and everything like that. You can do it all with this one tool. Got this on Amazon. The company is Tovolo. I actually have one other item of theirs to share today too, but I think it's like $8. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. I use this all the time. Let's just go right over to my next Tovolo item that I want to share today, and it is this colander. And this colander, seriously, is like the smartest thing ever. So it has this action right here. Do you see that? So you can load it up with anything you want. Potatoes. You could load it up with like lettuce that you've chopped for a big salad. I tend to do a lot of grapes or strawberries, things like that need to be washed. And you can actually fill the whole bowl up with water to let whatever you're washing soak, like lettuce, right? And you can move it around, and then you can pour the water out easily without losing any of your fruit, any of your lettuce, any of your anything. And then when you tip it back up, all of that leftover water that's on your fruit that usually like drips off of your colander, so you either have to put it on like a rag or a plate or something to catch all of that extra water, this bowl catches it. How genius is that, right? And you can actually pop this out and use it just as a plain colander if you wanted to, and you can use this as a bowl if you wanted to. I use this all the time. My kids love using this, and it actually comes in a few different sizes. This is the biggest size. It is, I don't know how big this is. I want to say 11 quarts. No, that can't be right. I don't know what size this is, but it comes in different sizes. 3 sizes. This is the biggest one. There's this really cute like red one, I think for berries, that's smaller. They're awesome. I use this all the time. Definitely would recommend it as a kitchen tool. Again, you can purchase this on Amazon. They're fairly inexpensive. I think like $11 or something. For this, worth every penny. Before we get to the next favorite kitchen gadget, do me a favor and like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know if you have a favorite kitchen gadget you'd like me to get and try out in the comments below, and maybe it'll be featured on the next video. My next favorite kitchen gadget, we'll use air quotes there, is actually back there. It is my towel hook. Let me go get it so I can bring it up here. So a lot of people have actually noticed that I always have a towel hanging back there. And so this is what the towel hook actually looks like. It just slides on and off of a little post that we screwed into our cabinet there. Got this at Home Depot for like $3 or something. And I don't know, I feel like it matches my cabinet drawer pulls. I think it does. But I love having a rag right there because that is where you need a rag. After you wash your hands, you need it right there. You don't need it over like on the oven. You need it right where you wash your hands. And so I always got this hanging right there with a dish towel there to dry your hands off easily. And then they don't end up on the floor. I always have a dish towel hanging by my sink. In all of the apartments I've ever lived in, I usually would just use like those command hooks, but now that like I'm in the permanent spot, we got a really nice, good one. So yeah, always have one of these, just a few dollars, and it like makes your life so much more convenient. Next up, as silly as it may seem, is my vegetable peeler. And I think this is included because this is like remarkable to me. I got this for Christmas like the year after we got married. It's like 8 years ago, and it is still so sharp and it works so well. Like peeling potatoes or getting the peel off of an apple if I need to, or carrots or cucumbers or anything that you need to peel. This bad boy's got you. And like I said, so sharp. Like it just is like butter. And the brand is Messermeister and Amazon again. And I'm pretty sure it's under $10. So if your vegetable peeler is dull, you're in the market for a new one, this is the one for you. I promise. You will not be disappointed in it. And number 5 today, to wrap things up, is my handy cookie scoop. If you follow my channel, if you follow my blog, you know that I love cookies. I have so many cookie recipes on my site. It is a little crazy. Might be a little out of hand, but cookies are my thing. And this cookie scoop saves me. And it's, I think, again, under $10 on Amazon too. So this is a number 50 scoop. They have different sizes of scoops. I feel like this is a pretty good, like, small cookie size. If I'm wanting big cookies, I will use 2 scoops and then put them into a ball. But the reason I use a cookie scoop always when I make cookies is so that they are the same size. If you don't have the same size of cookie dough, you're not going to have like the same doneness of your cookies. If you have one really small cookie and a big cookie, you're either going to have a burnt small cookie or an undercooked big cookie, if that makes sense. So using the cookie scoop saves you from that headache. Plus, it is so much faster than like spooning out dough. It's just like scoop and plop. If you have a cookie lover in your life, this would be a great gift for them. You could even print out some of my recipes and give them to them with the cookie scoop. That'd be a great gift. Tie it with a bow. It'd be cute. And that wraps it up for today. Those are my 5 favorite kitchen items for this round. Let me know in the comments below which one you are most excited about, which one you're adding to your Amazon cart like ASAP. And I will see you next week with another brand new video.